Okay, hello, can you see it? It's on the top left. Can you see my cursor? Right, so first we are in a dashboard. Inside the dashboard you can see the recommended files. They are the histories of files that you have entered. Here the top mentions is similar to Teams and WhatsApp. These are all the alerts and histories that you've seen. The upcoming event is of course the calendar alerts. So you can see the events and the holidays. In the customize, you can show or hide your widgets. You can get more in the App Store and change background image. You can choose whichever image you prefer or choose a custom one. Alright, so you can see my cursor again. Here's the files. We are in the files, almost similar to Dropbox or OneDrive. You get all this document, photos and whatnot all here, and you can add on a feature where you can do the similar feature to mapping network drive. So you can do your own groupings in the folders where you and your team can share and whatnot. So you can see the accounts folder where you can share with all your team members. So this is one of the things you can add on in the App Store. I think we can skip photos because just photos. Activities are all the things that you've done to your folders, files, whatever you've done. You know, when your parents say let's go for the talk, they're not saying about this. Alright, so this talk means that it is like Teams or WhatsApp. In your directory you can see your team members, your colleagues and whatnot all inside here. So inside here you can choose whoever, and then you can chat, you can call, video call and share your files, photos and all those things similar to Teams or either WhatsApp. So this is kind of the coolest feature I would see here other than the files. Right, so now we are in the deck right here, not on the ship deck, in this deck. Now in this deck it is similar to Trello where you can insert your task and choose your own upcoming cards. You can even choose to do ongoing, completed. These are all just managing your tasks so you can do it efficiently. Okay, so at the right side here you can see the search button where you can search all these things inside Nextcloud. You can see the notification, whatnot here. You can see the contacts where you can search your colleagues or add them. Then inside here it is your profile. You can see the settings, what you can do. You can change the status. You can see the users, the about version, the help, logout, and here is your App Store. Now, inside the App Store you can see at the left side here, all of these are all your installed apps and the filtered, so they are active, disabled, app bundles and featured apps. Below here are all the App Store that you can activate in order to enable the add-on features for Nextcloud. So let's say I want to add in mind mapping. So we will just go and search for it. I think it's around here. Let's see, where is the mind mapping? There you are, mind map. So you can download, enable. Just wait for a while for it to download, and once it's done you can go up and see it is already here, and it shows disabled, means that it is enabled. So you can go and test, go to the files, and inside files if you want to add in, you can just go here, new mind map file, and choose here test and type here test. Now we are in, you can do anything you so desire. Okay, so for those of you who want to create a group folder, you can go inside here, go into the apps, and either you search from here or you can just go to the search bar and search for it, group folder, and you can see group folder, it is enabled. So you can see just now the accounts folder. So now how we're going to do it is we go into settings, then we search for group folders. So sometimes when you enable something, when you enable some features, they will add in these settings over here, so you can customize the settings on how you like. So you can come and check inside here. So I can choose here, I can type here sales and create the group here. You can check if you have it. So I have an admin put here. Now for those of you maybe wondering how to add in the group permission, you can go inside here, users. Inside users, you can add a group, put in sales. You go to everyone, you see all, and then you just add user. Sales. Let's do 10 gig. The settings, group folders, and then we now can add this sales, and we can choose either write, share, and delete permissions. Then we can go back to files, and we can now see sales group, the sales folder, and we can move in. Okay, so now it's complete. You can add in folder, files, or anything inside here, and everyone can see it within that permission group. Remember to like, subscribe, and share! Below is my previous videos, to the center is my other videos, and to the side of it is my playlist of my previous and future videos that is to come. So check that out, and thank you all for watching. Famous Cyber signing out.